Good morning to all. My name is Kumari Anu. My section is X2103 and my roll number is RX2103B47. Today I am going to discuss about measurements of volleyball. Let's start. This is the model of volleyball court. So let's start with the measurements. The total length of the court is 18 meter long and the breadth is 9 meter wide. This is center line, this is attack line, and this is end line. The breadth of the marking lines is 5 centimeter wide. So, and the distance between the center line to attack area is 3 meter long, 3 meter wide. The distance between the center line to end line is 9 meter long and distance between the end line to attack line is 6 meter, and this is called service area. From end line to service area it is of 3 to 6.5 meter, and these are two poles, and the height of the net from ground is 2.43 meter long. So the height of the net from ground is 2.43 meter is for men and 2.24 meter for women, and according to age group the 2.16 meter is for age 12 and under. The total height of the pole is 7 meter to 8 meter long, and the net is 1 meter wide, and the dimensions of hole is 1 centimeter. And these are two antennas. So the antenna is a flexible rod 1.8 meter long and 10 millimeter in diameter and made of fibrous glass. It is attached on opposite sides of the net. The top of the antenna extends 80 centimeter above the net and is marked with 10 centimeter strips of contrasting color, usually red and white. And this is free zones, and it contains dotted markings. These dotted markings is 22, and the distance between this line to this line is 1.75 meter. And this is service zone. The service zone is a 9 meter wide area behind the each end line and extend to the end of the free zone. It is 15 centimeter long and drawn 20 centimeter behind the end line as an extension of the side lines. This view is called bird's eye view. Now we are discuss about the zones and area and the positions of the players. So this is the back zone and this is the front zone. This is called center line, this is called back line, and this is a service zone or service area of 3 meter. The service zone is 9 meter wide area behind each end line, literally limited by two short lines, extends to the end of the free zone. These are called free zones also. So these are the positions of the players. Number 1 is setter. This is middle blocker, and here is right side hitter, and he is also a setter and middle blocker, libero, and outside hitter. So basic volleyball rules are: there are 6 players on the court at any one time, 3 in the front of row and 3 in the back row. Maximum of 3 hits per side. Points are made on every serve for winning team of rally. Player may not hit the ball twice in succession. A block is not considered a hit. Ball may be played off the net during a volley and on a serve. A ball hitting a boundary line is in. A ball is out of it hits an antenna, net post, the floor completely outside the court, and any of the net or cables outside the antenna, the referee stand or pole, the ceiling above and non-payable area. It is legal to contact the ball with any part of a player's body. It is illegal to catch, hold, or throw the ball. A player cannot block or attack a serve from on or inside the 10-foot line. After the serve, front line players may switch positions at the net. Matches are made up of sets. The number depend on the level of play. So that's all about the measurements of the volleyball court. And thank you so much and have a nice day.